How to create a TikTok collection. In this short video, I'm going to show you how to create a TikTok collection. Okay, straight into it. First, open up the TikTok app. Next, find a video that you like and want to put in your collection. Then click the share button on the right bottom corner. In the next menu, scroll to the right until you see the option to add to favorites. Then tap on that and then hit manage. Here you can enter in your collection name, so you can put ABC as the collection name, and then you can have up to 30 characters for the collection name and then hit save. And then that's added this video to that collection. You can keep doing this for other videos and keep adding them to your collection in the same way. And that's all it takes to create a TikTok collection. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you liked the video, subscribe to my channel, and let me know in the comments if this worked for you. Thanks for watching.